Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M340i xDrive Sedan in Arctice Race Blue Metallic with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i in Arctic Race Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so we got the DRLs on. Here's the key, press and hold panic for 1 Mississippi. And that is called the pathway lighting, which depicts the full low beam system, which looks sweet. Look at that. And before we begin the presentation, I will do a full lap all the way around. Arctic Race Blue has been a really interesting color as of late. And it's not as blue as, say, like a Portimao, or not as navy as, say, a Tanzanite, but it's somewhere in the middle. And it kind of has some bluish, grayish tones to it, which makes it a really nice to look at color. And this one is spec'd real nice. So let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Arctic Race Blue Metallic. This has been a nice color that I've seen on many 330s and also on the X3 as of late. And I'm actually really liking this color a lot. Now this color actually has some metallic flake in it, which you can kind of see where the light's hitting it. And it really nicely shows off the lines on the hood. We've got the BMW Rondell, one-piece high-gloss black kidney grille with the honeycomb shapes, and we've got the active grille shutters shut, top and bottom. We've got the front plate bracket on here right now. We've got some functional air on either side and some air going into the wheel wells. And once again, let's take a look at those inverted L-shaped headlights looking sweet. And if we take a closer look at them, you'll notice that these are the BMW LEDs and these are the shadow line headlights. So we've got everything blacked out inside of there. And we've got the nice illumination on those inverted L-shapes. And we've got the full 4i front-facing design language here intact, and I really like the way these headlights look. Now, if we come further to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double-spoke 995M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake back there. That looks real good, and I like the contrast with the red brake and the black wheels. Now, since we're in Canada, we have the M badge on the fender there. We also have this cutting design on the fender that swoops through the doors. And if I just hit unlock again, you can see that we've got the crisscross pattern welcome light carpet and a little side profile view. Beautiful sports sedan. And we have the black M wing mirrors. We also have the sunroof up top, new style antenna. This car also has the black window surrounds, and it looks like it may have been tinted. We also have this style door handle that has the touch comfort access on all four handles. And overall side profile looks real nice. You have some dynamic body lines and such. And we have new style antenna, black spoiler on the trunk lid, and there's your rear 995M wheel with the red caliper. And let's go to the back here. So you'll see that we have the L-shaped tail lights on, M340i badging, and down here you can see that we've got the freeform exhaust with the rear diffuser. And if I go ahead and kick my foot underneath here, we can get this to open the hands-free way. And once that opens up, you'll see inside the trunk that we've got some release levers up on top, so we can fold down the seats in a 60-40 split, carpeted mats. We also have a little netted area where we have tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, grocery bag hanger up here, and we have a little plastic storage bin on that side. Up top, a button to close, another one to close and lock in one step, but we can definitely just kick our foot underneath the middle of the vehicle so we can get that to close the hands-free way. Now, the fuel cap door is on the passenger side connected to the central locking system. If I press on that, Door opens on the 9 o'clock position, and we're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, 1 click, spot to put this, and when you're done, clockwise, 1 click, and you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have the Black Sensatec interior, and the center headrest can be flipped up or flipped down. We have an armrest in the center with some cup holders here, and we also have a pass-through to the center as well. And we have ISOFIX for child safety seats. We also have the black headliner with the handle on top, coat hanger, some lights in the middle. We also have some vents underneath the front seats. These are the winter mats already installed on the floor. And we have the vents on the back of the center console with some rear climate controls, and there are 2 USB Type-C charging ports. So now that we've had a chance to look through the back door here, and also just wanted to show we've got the ambient light, the Harman Kardon sound system, some galvanic controls, and a pocket in the door. Let's shut this door. We can see a little bit of that welcome light carpet on the passenger side, and let's open this one next. So once we've got this open, you'll see inside that we've got, again, galvanic controls. There's your door pull with the Hofmeister kink. We have some ambient light, Harman Kardon, deep door pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. There's a look at those nice seats, manual under the thigh extension, and headrest is also manually adjusted, just like this. And once we look on the dash itself, you'll see that we've got some nice soft touch materials with some stitching going across. We've got the new style vent controls, close, open, direct where it's blowing. We've got the aluminum rhombical trim. We've got the curved display with iDrive 8.5. We've got your illuminated glove box that can be locked. Those are the winter mats down here. And down here we've got some cascading ambient light. If I open this, you'll see that we've got a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, and there's your iDrive controller, gear selector, push start button, your driving modes, electronic parking brake, auto hold button, and if I lift this up, there's a USB Type-C charging port in here as well. So now that we've had a chance to look through this door, let's go over to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, you'll see that we did just get the windows tinted, but we do have all 4 window controls, side mirror controls, also a button that makes it so only the driver controls the windows. We have your unlock, lock, door pull, memory buttons, Harman Kardon pockets, and we have your tailgate pops. If I press that, it'll open, and if I pull and hold while the key is inside, it will close the tailgate without having me to exit the vehicle. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar once again. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock. We have the M tricolors going all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display here with the stitching going around as well. And just quickly, I can see that this has just your regular cruise control, so there's no advanced driver assist on this one. And if I take a look, I can see we've got the 360 cam. So we will be able to display all the way around, and you can also do some automatic back park and parallel park. And we also have a backup assistant that will remember how you went forward for 50 meters and go back the exact same way. We also have got the 3D view here as well. And up top, I can see on the rear view mirror, we've got some buttons for your garage door openers. We have some sunroof controls and some reading lights. And there's your sunroof opening. We also have SOS for roadside assistance. And we've also got the mirror up here, and the light turns on with the mirror. This can also come out. It can also extend. So now that we've had a chance to sit in the driver chair and have a look at this lovely interior, down here, I just wanted you to see that we're reading 705 kilometers range with a full tank. That is sweet. Exterior lighting is over here. I have it in auto, which I think it will stay in. And here are your pedals. And here's your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything under the hood. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. This one produces 386 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal, we have a negative battery terminal, we have a washer fluid. What a great engine bay. And BMWs have 2 latches underneath the hood, So it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to throw it down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around with a few longer range angles here. This color looks so nice. And it's just a pole in the way. So since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So that is your remote engine start, cold start sound. And this is just a stock muffler, no M Performance muffler on this one. And you can hear the engine starting to calm down. It will do that actually one more time, but before that even happens, I'm going to 1, 2, 3 on the lock button to shut it off, and that should have the active grille shutters open up, top and bottom, and once it's had a minute to breathe some air, they will close again. There you go. So how do you like this 2026 BMW M340i in Arctic Race Blue? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i xDrive sedan in Arctic Race Blue Metallic with the black interior, M Sport Pro package. Car's looking great. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.